When equipment issues strike, every minute of downtime impacts your bottom line. That's where Squint comes in, helping you return to operation as quickly and efficiently as possible. Here's how we do it. To prepare, expert operators use Squint to easily capture critical knowledge by filming a repair or maintenance procedure. Squint will automatically generate a digital version for anyone's future use. When maintenance is needed, Squint immediately mobilizes your team, guiding them through rapid troubleshooting and solutions. Squint procedures include detailed video demonstrations, making it easy to understand and apply any instruction, minimizing repair time and costly delays. And with AI verification, Squint can help to ensure safety compliance at each step, validating that repairs are done right the first time. If any issues arise, Squint is there to course correct, instantly searching documents to find the right answers so your equipment can get back into action. With Squint, you can repair like an expert and unlock peak performance.